Hello students, I am Shalini Srivastava, Assistant Professor Babu Banasi Das University, Lucknow. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the topic Introduction of Marketing, which covers under the paper Principles of Marketing Code BCom 3501. In this presentation, we will cover certain topics like nature of marketing, definitions of marketing, scope of marketing, core concepts of marketing. First of all, what is marketing? The introduction of marketing. So basically, marketing is a process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' need and desire through the creation, communication, and delivery of value. It is both an art and a science, combining creative strategy with data driven decisions. Marketing refers to the activities a company undertake to promote the buying or selling of product or services. Marketing is very much important for the building brand awareness, generating sales, and fostering customer loyalty. It helps business understands their market, reach potential customers, and stay competitive. Now, what is marketing and what are the areas which covers under marketing? So basically, as the picture says, there are so many areas which covers under marketing like online marketing, public relation, advertising, social media, research, direct marketing, advertising, direct marketing, social media, strategy, pricing, publicity, and branding. So the definitions of marketing given by different authors and associations. First definition is given by American Marketing Association. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, client, partners and society at large. Another simplified definition covers marketing is the process of getting the right product or service to the right people at the right time and at the right price, while also ensuring customer satisfaction and building brand loyalty. There are certain key elements of marketing which covers creation of value, communication, delivering and exchange. Creation of value involves developing product or services that meets customers' need, while communication covers promoting and conveying the benefits of the product to the large audience. Delivering, ensuring the products or services are assembling to customers. Exchange, facilitating transactions between the business and its customers. Nature of marketing. There are so many characteristics which comes under marketing which are written. First one is dynamic and ever changing. Marketing adapt to changing customers behavior, technological advancement and marketing trend. It is a continuous process that evolve with time, requiring constant innovations and adaptation. Second one is customer centric. It is a core marketing revolves around the customer, focusing on creating value and building a strong relationship. Integrated with business function. Marketing is interconnected with another business functions like finance, operations, and human resource. It plays a very important role in aligning the company's goal with marketing opportunities and customers' demand. Core concepts of marketing. Core concepts of marketing cover certain aspects like need, want, and demand. Need is basically a basic human requirements like food, clothing, and shelter. Wants covers a specific way people choose to satisfy their need, influenced by culture, personality, and social status. Demand, want backed up by purchasing power is known as demand. Another one is marketing offerings. The combination of product, service, information, or experience offered to satisfy customers' need and want can include both tangible goods and intangible services. Third one is value and satisfaction. Value. The customer's perception of the benefit of a product relative to its cost. Satisfaction is basically the customer's contentment with the product after purchase determined by whether the product meet or exceed expectations. The fourth one is exchange and relationship. which covers exchange, the act of obtaining a desired product from someone by offering something in return. The relationship covers the focus on building long-term relationship with the customers rather than one-time transaction. And the fifth core concept is market itself. A market is a set of actual and potential buyer of a product or services. Types: customers market, business market, global market, non-profit and governmental market. Another slide is showing the scope of marketing. The scope of marketing concluded product research, consumer research, purchasing research, pricing research, advertising research, sales research, distribution research, policy research, international research, motivation research, market research, and media research. Thank you.